and good day. Today we're looking at this monitor hood for the phone, or if you prefer Sunshade, which is what I call it. This is an official product from the DJI store. It's by PGYTech or PGYTech, whichever you prefer to call it. Pop that aside. This is the case itself. This is what the Sunshade looks like. You've got little magnetic clips in it to hold it in place, a bit of protective paper in there. You've got rubber suction cups in there, and this just snaps together, and that's basically the little hood itself. It's got a bit of weight to it. I'll get some scales, we'll see what this comes in at. I'll get back in a second, and we'll pop it on and see what it comes in at. So there you go, 173 grams is the weight of this case, so there's a bit of weight in it considering that the Mavic Mini is only 250 grams. And now on to the best bit, fitting it onto the controller. This is the best way I've found to do it, is to leave the phone out of it and just simply slot it into the little side slots like so. Just square it up on the top, make certain it's reasonably well positioned, and there we go, we're in position there. The rubber suction cups, in my opinion, you need to moisten them. I'm just licking my finger and applying a little bit of saliva across it, so that'll give a bit of better adhesion. Mobile phone slots in nicely. Just push it in position, slot that up the top there, and there we go. Now it fits in there quite nice. You can get to your controls quite easy. You can open the screen here and get to any part of it quite easy, closing that up. What that does, it stops the ground light bouncing back and getting into here and making it hard to see your screen. It fits quite nicely, and you'd expect that from a DJI approved product. The only thing I'm not happy with, my cable. It doesn't fit. I've now got to get a longer one. So if you buy one of these shades or covers or monitor hoods or whatever you want to call it, just remember you're going to have to get a longer lead, simply because it won't fit. And if I try to plug my phone in down the bottom here, just gives you an idea. So there, it's just no hope. It's just not going to fit. Apart from that, what can I say? If you like my video, please click a like. If you want to subscribe, I won't say no. Click on the bell button if you do subscribe, and you'll be notified of the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Take care.